Meet Hugo and Andrew.
I am originally from Omaha, but have lived in LA for 30 years.
I'm from Bolivia. I moved to the US when I was 19, and then I moved to England, and then magic happened, and I met Andrew.
7 years ago, I decided to buy a second home out here, which is when I found this house in Rancho Mirage.
This house is like paradise. We have great times here.
This house was built in the 80s. The interior of the home is, I would say, very contemporary. When I first moved into the house, I actually went to a store called Scandinavian Designs, which is where I found this couch that we're sitting on. And so as we are approaching this sort of redesign, I thought, well, that would be a great store to sort of start this journey.
We've been looking for a little bit of a change and perhaps a little color.
Andrew and Hugo are on their way to meet Scandinavian Designs head designer, Mike Brown. Mike is going to help them shop and piece together the perfect collection of furniture that will capture both of their unique styles, while adding warmth, comfort, and modern design to their home away from home.
Hi guys, Andrew. So nice to see you. Hugo, so nice to see you. Nice to meet you finally. Based on our conversations over the phone, we've come up with a few options. You're looking at the color choices and looking at our large pieces first, and then kind of taking it from there.
Awesome.
How's that sound?
Can't wait.
Let's do it.
Obviously, when we're designing a space, we want to focus on the main hero of the product for the room and then design around that. So the Diego collection, which I thought would be great for your space, just it's modular, it can grow with your family, it can get smaller. I thought the yellow would be spectacular for your space.
Yeah, it'll be amazing seeing it, like
all yellow.
all yellow, because that's what we're looking for.
So go big or go home, right? Exactly, exactly. So have a seat in it. It's so comfortable. It's designed in Italy. It's fantastic.
It's a lovely fabric. It's really beautiful. It's so different than what we have now, but I think we're looking for a change.
I think we have a great start.
Fantastic, I love that. The dining table I'm about to show you, it's a little bit more contemporary, just based on the style of your home. Right. I thought marrying mid-century modern and contemporary would be a nice balance.
So so this is
what's the material?
So, yes, this is tempered glass with a metal base, so very good quality, meant to last a lifetime. This one would fit 10 people as opposed to...
Because I definitely want to sit 10.
Absolutely, absolutely.
What do you think about chairs?
So chairs, I have a few options for you in mind. Sound good?
Perfect.
Okay, I'll grab them. I brought you both a chair to sit in. I think they are absolutely beautiful, very comfortable.
Yeah, they're really nice.
And they rotate, which is fantastic. Yeah. The swivel is such a great
very
function.
Comfortable.
Totally.
Right?
Kids will love this.
Kids will go crazy.
Time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's great. I just want to see what it looks like.
Yeah.
What would you think about having different chairs on the ends?
We could absolutely do that. For the head table, absolutely. It's a classic look.
Right.
Fabulous.
Terrific.
On to the next. So this is the base that I was referring to for the dining table that I think would be great for your card table. Right. It still has that mid-century modern feel, but these little chrome details give it that contemporary feel as well, which marries those two together quite nicely.
Yeah.
So it's that tabletop with this base.
Obviously a little taller.
Right. Is all these available?
Absolutely.
You know, like
we
without
make sure
weight.
that everything would be delivered at the same time.
Great.
Well, this has been terrific.
It's been wonderful.
Thank you. We're very excited.
Obviously are going to give you guys a little bit of a surprise. I'm all about little surprises and kind of big surprises.
Oh my!
I'm super excited.
Yeah,
wonderful.
We are
Thank
very
you.
excited.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Excited.
Of course, thank you.
And look forward to seeing everything
Done.
done.
In its place.
Done. So now that all the furniture's out of the space, the guys are unloading the truck, they're gonna unload the boxes, they're gonna bring it in and set up. Adriana, what I want you to do is just guide the furniture into the space based on the floor plan that we've done, so it goes right into place.
Mike and his team only have a couple of hours to bring this mini makeover to life, and they're on a mission to create a fresh and vibrant space for Andrew and Hugo to come home to.
We are ready to bring Andrew and Hugo into their new space. Hopefully that they love it as much as I do. I think it looks fabulous, and I'm really excited to see their expression and hear their feedback. I can't wait. Let's bring them in. Andrew and Hugo, are you here?
Yes.
Yes.
Come on in and see your new space.
Coming.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. The whole experience has been a blessing.
It's so different than what it was, but in the best way.
We had a really great experience. Mike was amazing. He has a great eye for design.
Can't wait for our friends and
Yeah.
family to see it.
Yeah.
And we just can't thank Scandinavian Designs enough because they really did a terrific job.
Are you looking to revamp your home with timeless modern designs that fit your family's budget? Visit ScandinavianDesigns.com to browse a wide variety of styles or visit a local showroom in your area.